Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Samuel, and welcome to Tamibe, Uganda Second's Ambassador Olara Otunnu for UN Secretary General. The government of Uganda has announced the candidature of Ambassador Olara Otunnu for the position of the United Nations Secretary General. The government has called on UN member states to give Ambassador Otunnu's candidature their utmost support. In a press release issued on July 26 this year and signed by the Permanent Secretary in the Foreign Affairs Ministry, Vincent Waiswab Bajire, the government confirmed its secondment of Otunnu for the UN Secretary General position, describing him as a distinguished Ugandan statesman and international civil servant. Ambassador Otunnu brings to this candidature over 4 decades of distinguished service at the highest level of international diplomacy, having served both within the United Nations system and in senior leadership roles across government, academia, and civil society, the statement reads in part. The term of the current UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres ends in December 31st, 2026. The government of Uganda is confident that Ambassador Otunnu's unique breadth of experience spanning the UN Secretariat, the Security Council, national government, academia, and grassroots peace building makes him exceptionally well suited to lead United Nations at the critical juncture in global affairs, Bajire stated. Giving a brief background, Bajire said that within the UN system, Otunnu, 76, served as Under Secretary General and the first special representative of the Secretary General of Children and Armed Conflict from 1998 to 2005, a mandate he said enabled him to build into one of the organization's most influential offices. In this capacity, he, Otunnu, successfully placed the protection of the war-affected children on the agenda of the Security Council and designed the landmark compliance and monitoring regime adopted under Security Council Resolution 1612 in 2005, which remains in operation to date. The statement reads further. Otunnu, a former president of the Uganda People's Congress (UPC) political party from 2010 to 2015, stood as the party's candidate in the 2011 presidential election. He also served as Uganda's ambassador and permanent representative to the UN between 1980 and 1985, and as president of the UN Security Council in December 1981. During his tenure, he introduced the straw balloting system for electing the Secretary General, a procedure known since as the Otunnu formula that has guided every such election since 1981. Described as a politician, a diplomat, and lawyer, Otunnu served all the national level as Uganda's Minister of Foreign Affairs from 1985 to 1986 and as a member of the Uganda National Consultative Council during the country's transitional period following the fall of Idi Amin regime. He later led the International Peace Academy, now the International Peace Institute, as president from 1990 to 1998 and has held academic position at Albany Law School, the American University in Paris, and the Institut Francais des Relations Internationales. The permanent secretary stated that Otunnu's contribution to international peace and human rights have been recognized through numerous prestigious awards, including the Sydney Peace Prize 2005, the German Africa Prize 2002, and the Harvard Law School Alumni Association Award 2007. In recent years, Mr. Otunnu has co-led Rochopaju, a community-rooted peace-building initiative alongside Chief Justice Emeritus Honorable Justice Alphonse Chigamoy Owindolo, dedicated to healing and rebuilding communities in northern Uganda following over 2 decades of conflict. Otunnu holds a bachelor's degree in jurisprudence from Oxford University and a Master of Law from Harvard Law School. He is fluent in English, French, and Luo. Good evening.